If you suffer from the fear of public speaking, you're probably suffering from physiological changes such as your heart racing, sweaty palms, general disorientation, and sometimes panic attacks. And the most common times for these feelings to emerge are just as you've been given the task or the brief for your presentation, speech, etc., or 1 minute before you're just about to go on stage or just about to go online or camera like we are now. This is the reality that in 1 minute, you're about to go live, you're about to go on stage, you're about to press record, you're about to go into a Zoom meeting, you're about to walk into an interview, an audition, in fact. So I completely understand. I've been in pretty much all of those situations myself, and I'd like to share with you one very simple tip that's going to calm your nerves and prepare yourself for that really important pitch. If you want to improve your chances to further your career and in fact generally your status, either socially or professionally, you'll need to be able to control these feelings of anxiety that you have. Before I share with you this very simple tip, I'd like you to consider subscribing, liking, commenting on these videos. It makes a big difference to me. I love it when people comment, however wild and random those comments are. That's absolutely fine. And it really helps me to find issues and problems that I might be able to help with so I can then do these videos and create these videos. So again, subscribe and comment, and I really hope that these videos help you in some way. Hi, I'm Jimmy Cannon, public speaking coach. I'd like to nurture the confidence through the power of your voice to deliver your message with presence and authority. And I would like to show you a really easy way in about 5 seconds to reduce your anxiety and control your stage fright. The more nervous you become, the more shallow your breath will become, and you'll be inhaling shorter, more shallow, quicker breaths. So what I want you to do is control your breathing, and here's a really simple exercise to do that. So what I want you to do is not only slow down your breathing, but also regulate the ratio of the inhale and your exhale. Now, very quickly, the inhale is the breath that you take in, the breath that you take in, and if that's shallow, then that's going to be difficult to control. But the most important thing is actually the exhale. So the main exercise to reduce your anxiety is the breath exercise, which is 4-4-6-2. And that's breathing in for 4, holding it for 4, letting it out for 6, holding it for 2, and repeat. So let's do it together. We're going to put a hand on the belly. We're going to take a breath in nice and slowly through the nose, but we're going to count 4. And that can be 4 seconds or just a count of 4. Not too slow, not too fast. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to hold it for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it for 2. Relax, and repeat. Hold it. Let it out for 6. Hold it for 2. Let your abdominal muscles just retract and relax. Breathe in. Hold it for 4, 2, 3, 4. Let it out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then hold it for 2 again. 1, 2. Good. Now the 6 count is very important because actually what happens is the exhale as you breathe out reduces or diminishes the heart rate or the heartbeat. So the inhale increases heartbeat and the exhale decreases the heartbeat. So that's why you want to breathe out as long as you can. And each time you do that, each time you go around the cycle, it helps to decrease your heart rate. So you need to do this at least 3 or 4 times. Now you can do it before you're about to speak, but you can also, what's really important, is try to do this every day so it becomes part of your natural practice, your natural regime during the day. So let's recap. We're going to take a breath in for 4. And then we're going to hold it for 4, and then we're going to exhale or breathe out And you can do that in a sigh or sh or zh or ha, however you want to do it. Ha, or just a silent breath. Out for 6. And then I want you to hold it for 2 and then you repeat. So let's do it together. Here we go. Are you ready? Take a breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 4. Now that 2 releases endorphins. And then out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't speak and count at the same time. All right, let's just do it without me counting. Okay, are you ready? All right, here we go. And one more time. Breathe in. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it out. Hold it. Take a breath. Now, hopefully, you're more relaxed. You've reduced your heart rate. And you're about ready to give the best speech of your life. Please consider subscribing. I do weekly videos. I try to do weekly videos on tips about public speaking, anxiety, breath control, voice, communication skills. Speak soon.